Hello everybody, this is my review about GNU Victorinox Huntsman Swiss Ami multi-tool knife. I bought it from the stream. This is a GNU make fun Swiss. And this is exactly from the photo on the deal stream. Yes, with many function, many tools included in one knife. Yeah, you can see this is small blade, a saw, wood saw, a scissor, a can opener with small screwdriver, a long blade, very sharp. Yes, yes, it is a corkscrew, a hook, and a rimmer with showing eyes. Yes, it is a bottle opener with large screwdriver and wide stripper too. Oh, K-ring. There's a toothpick here, and the other side have a tweezer. My tweezer is taken by my girlfriend. Yeah. This is a very good build quality. Very good build. You can see very tight, no loose at any place. I'm very satisfied from this stream with this item. Yes, now is it we will measure it. The full length is about 23 centimeters. Yes, and the body length is about 9 centimeters. Yes, the color is red. Victorinox logo. It looks like a shield. Yes. This is finished my review. Well, you should buy it from the stream. Very good price, and I have no complaint with it.